Hey, Kendra Morgan here, and I'm a makeup enthusiast. I've been doing makeup for about the past 8 years, and I've recently kind of gotten into the economics of makeup and making the best out of the stash that you've already got. So today I put together this look for you guys, and if you want to see how I got it, then just stick around. Dip into some really, good stuff. This is the LA Colors Matte Shadow in the shade Whisper. I will be buffing that up into this crease of mine here. Alright, so starting off a little bit like lackluster as far as pigment goes, but you know, like you kind of gotta like build this stuff sometimes. You just gotta like build it. I mean, I've been using the bougie stuff lately. And I want you guys to know what you have is what you need. Don't go out and buy more. Another LA Color Matte in the shade Foxy. Buff that into the crease just below that first shade with the Refer 15. And the previous color I used the Smith 232. No, it won't be. It will not be. Okay. In real life, there is a lot more pigment. I don't want to do anything dramatic today. I have another film that I need to film, and definitely want something a little bit more on the natural side. Refer 01. I shall pack this guy right here. This is the LA Color Matte Eyeshadow in the shade Forbidden. But this is going to be like a building kind of pigment. This is not a ooh la la right off the bat. Macaroons, Patchy City. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I didn't have any darker shades. That's about as dark as we got with this stuff here. So grabbed Sydney Grace's Dark Chocolate, and I'll buff that around my lash line and bring it Refer 12 brush. Why is there always something underneath this eye? People are gonna start really questioning my abilities here if I don't get it together. I'm starting to question my own abilities. This is looking like a bruise, guys. Stila Liquid Shadow in the shade Grace. And I will apply that to the back of my hand and then grab a shader brush and apply that to my lid. And with that shadow, I am creating a cut crease type of look. So this sucker, I mean, she's coated like head to toe. Actually, it's just the head of the brush. So with the Refer 03, dip back into that chocolate shade. I'm going to just gently line around this, and then I'm going to fold down into this area right in here. Okay, because this to me is a little bit too light, it's not grounded, there's not enough depth for me. Okay, I hope it's dry. Okay, so I'm looking at you guys now. I had to let that dry. I'm going to add some using this really teeny tiny pencil brush. Finally add it to the outer perimeter. Okay, just like that. Now, that's not it. We're not done. We need to blend. All right? Don't forget to blend in this kind of stuff. Looking a bit dark on this one, I have to admit. Didn't think we were going to get that heavy today, but sure did, didn't we? Excess, just take it and apply it to the lower lash line. I think I'm going to take one of these blending brushes. I haven't used one of these too frequently, but it's a Refer 14, and it is a super tiny blending brush. So with that, I am gently buffing that. It's like raspberry chocolate or something. Let me see. What was it? Dark chocolate. It all sounds good right now. Blend and mesh where that metal liquid stops and this matte darkness starts. No, sis, we're gonna be all the way up there. Alright, that's it, folks. I am just going to throw on some lashes, and then I will zoom you all out for the completed look so we can kind of capture everything. And I will be back here in a... Okay, guys, this is it. This is the completed look. That's all she got. Grab some bronzer too, because I noticed I was looking really, you know, not so flushed like I want it to be. Let me just grab a lip liner. There you have it. The completed look from head to toe, using some really cheap eyeshadows that I got to make work. Of course, the more expensive the eyeshadow, generally speaking, it will have better quality, it will blend better, yada yada, so on and so forth. But I just want you guys to know you can make it work with what you've got. And if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you're already subscribed, thanks so much. All 67 of you. Thank you. Couldn't have done it without you. All right. Till next time. Can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.